Once again, a big round of applause for Mr. Romeo Atizon.
Hi Beauty Queens! Hello! Good day everyone! Welcome po sa ating special event today. This is with the Snowcaps Gold, no? We're very happy and honored to have all you here as we celebrate beauty, confidence, and wellness. And that the glowing energy na bagay sa mga future beauty queens natin. First of all, I'd like to sincerely thank the management of Pilipinas who are here. Of course, the original, the longest running beauty pageant in the Philippines. Thank you for having confidence in our brand, Snowcaps Gold, and for giving us the opportunity to be one of your partners. And also to the delegates of Kyowa from Japan and also with the essential ingredients. And of course, mas special po ang araw na to dahil kasama natin ang mga beautiful and inspiring candidates of Binibining Pilipinas. You truly represent grace, strength, and confidence, no? Of the modern Filipina radiance. Kaya naman, perfect na perfect para sa inyo itong Snowcaps Gold. Snowcaps Gold is a premium product created to support your beauty and wellness journey. And I hope that after this event, you will try and experience Snowcaps Gold for yourselves. And rest assured that the benefits you will gain can help us as you work toward your goal to crown as Binibining Pilipinas 2026. Tama? But win or lose, always remember this: your health is the real winner. With Snowcaps Gold, we don't just celebrate our beauty, we also value confidence, self-care, and wellness from within. So today, let's enjoy, celebrate, and of course, support our beauty queens. Thank you once again for being here, and I hope you have fun, meaningful, and inspiring time with us. Thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Romeo Atizon, the Vice President and Managing Director of Vida